Right everyone, as a back. I don't know what happened there. Right, what I've done is I've taken the wired ribbon, taken the wire out of it, cut a long length of it, and start with the yard, fold the corner down, then fold the corner in, do a tacking stitch, and then we're going to sew that across the bottom like that. Okay, so we've got that. Fold that in again and stitch that. Like that. Then we bend that backwards and roll. Again, bend it backwards and roll. Just bend it backwards and keep rolling it. And then what you can do is just put a stitch in here and there, just to catch it all. Again, fold and roll. Now you've got a chance to get hold of it like this. Thumb in between your fingers. Fold and roll. Fold it and roll it, and just keep doing that till you've come to the end of your ribbon. I'm just going to do that because I haven't got much thread left, so I'm going to need to be careful. And then at the end you just tuck it in like that, and I'm going to try and just catch all mine at the back end. Now I can just seal all this off. Catch this to this, and then catch that as well. I'm just going to do one tight stitch there, and you've got a rose. You can just tidy it up. I mean, I don't like them perfect. I don't. I really don't. There's no need for them. I can't do with them perfect, to be honest. And then you can cut that. I generally will just cut it like that. Take this to the flame. And just press that down. Just do that, and then that will fit anywhere you want it to go. And that's how you do them, and they're really quick and easy. Do them in any colour. So I'm just going to thread my needle, and I think we'll do where's my cotton? Let's do some more. Right, get my cotton ready. I think we'll do a nice pink one next. And I think we'll do a leaf to go with it. So I've got the broad one in the leaf as well. Again, you just do them, cut about a yard, if you can. And seal both ends. I didn't do it last time on both ends, I just did the beginning. Okay, we're going to go like that, like that again, and we're just going to give that a quick stitch. And then we're going to fold it, then we're going to fold it back and then fold that forward. See? Fold that back and fold that forward. Back, forward. And then you can start to get hold of it. Like that. Put your stitch in just to keep it together. Doesn't matter if it crinkles here, it just makes it more, you know, I don't know, you need character in them. Don't have them all smoothy-woothy, it don't work. Okay, so I'm just going to stitch this. Like that. See, you got to the very end. There's my thread. Just gonna there we go. Stitch all of that in. And just go round and round. It'll be fine. That's all I'm doing with that. But what I said about, you can go in and glue these bits just in case you want to. Just glue them in. Just helps them stay. Like that. See? And we can do each layer. You just pull it down like that. Okay, and then you've got that. Now, I could, if I wanted to, put a little bead in the middle or something like that. But you don't have them with although it doesn't matter. If you want a bead in yours, you put a bead in yours. I always say you do what you want, not what everybody else does or thinks you should do. You know, we don't craft for other people, we craft for ourselves. And therefore, I'm a firm believer in doing what the hell you like. I don't conform to nothing and nobody. Okay? Now, I do some... In fact, I'm going to do it because I've just got to be the rebel. I have, haven't I? I'm just the rebel. The rebel crafter, that's what I should have been called. The non-conformist crafter. See, I like that. I think it looks good with that. You know, again, it's just... I'm bad at it. Do you know what? I'm going to put one in there now. Non-conform crafter. Yeah, I like them with that. Let's be different. There you go. And that's how I do them. They're very simple, very quick, very easy. I don't like them when they look too posh, you know, too... Because I like them shabby me. But I just like them like that. Okay? You can puff them up and things like that. But there you go. That's how I do them. Right, we're going to do the leaves. I've cut them at, 4 inches long. Taken the wire out and it's 2 inches wide. And I'm just going to thread my needle. Don't really need to seal them at the moment. Okie dokie. So what I'm going to do, you fold down your leaf like that, and then you start sewing that. And just put a tacking stitch in. You sew across. So there's no wastage on these. Then you fold the other one down and go straight across. I have to come back up and do it this side because I'm right-handed. Okay. So right to the other end. Like that. And pull it. And that's all you do. Now, I like the idea that it's got a lighter green edge. Like that. And you can have it either way. That way or that way. But I'm going to use this way because I like that. And like I say, there's no wastage with this kind of leaf. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down the edge, across the middle, down the edge. Take my rose and place it on there like that. And then we just take hold of the thread again. That's it. I'll do that there. Take this one and do exactly the same. Wait a minute, boys. Sorry, I'm rushing. When the boys need to go, the boys need to go. But there you go. And then all I do is put a patch on the back. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I will speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.